Welcome to class, and let us look at this binomial expansion question and a tree that find the coefficient of x raised to 3 in the binomial expansion of, now in square brackets, 1 all over 2 in parentheses 3 plus x close parentheses all raised to 5. If you are new to my channel, kindly like, share, and watch to the end to get the final answer. All right, let's get started. First, let's recall the binomial expansion general formula. So let us say we have a plus b all raised to n. Now the general formula gives n combination r. Okay, then a raised to n minus r, then b raised to r. Okay, so where r here actually signify the coefficient which we are looking for. Okay, and n here in this case represents 5. Okay, so let's just get started now. Looking at this, okay, I want to make it more easier. You can see that if you have the square bracket 1 all over 2 over 3 plus x, the square bracket close raised to 5. Recall that according to the law of indices, if you have ab all raised to n, this same thing as saying a raised to n times b raised to n, and that's because 5 here will be distributed across the terms. Okay, so if we apply this, okay, this law to this, you will see we will end up having 1 over 2 all raised to 5, then 3 times 3 plus x all raised to 5. Okay, from here we can agree that 1 over 2 raised to 5 is 1 over 32, right? Then we have here 3 plus x all raised to what? 5. So let's find the binomial expansion of this, okay, of x raised to 3 with this term. Okay, take note that 1 over 32 multiplies the terms here. So if we reconcile 3 plus x raised to 5 to this term here, we get to have this. Let me make it more clearer. A plus b all raised to n, okay, then equals n combination r, then a raised to n minus r, then b raised to r. Now bringing this, okay, over here, we have 3 plus x all raised to 5, then equals, okay, so our n here, okay, which is 5, which is this, okay, so we have 5, then combination, our r here is the coefficient which we are looking for, which is 3, so here we have 3, then our a here now is actually 3, so that will be times 3, then our n is actually our 5, so here you have 5, then minus our r, which is the coefficient which we are looking for, that will be 3, then times our b is x, okay, in this case, so here we have x, then raised to r, which is what? 3. Okay, let us recall that according to combination, the formula for combination, if you have n combination r, okay, this is n factorial all over n minus r factorial r factorial. So coming up with 5 combination 3 in this case here, then we have 5 combination 3, combination 3, which will give us 5 factorial all over 5 minus 3 factorial, then 3 factorial. Now take note, this gives us 5 factorial all over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Why 2 factorial? That's because 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So we move ahead. I want to simplify 5 factorial, and I'll be stopping at 3 factorial because I'm having 3 factorial as the denominator. So here 5 times 4 times 3 factorial, and all over, take note, 2 factorial is just the same thing as 2 times 1, which gives us what? 2, then times 3 factorial. Now looking at the numerator and the denominator, you see you get to see 3 factorial here and 3 factorial here, so we can just clear that up. So here we clear here, we clear here, 2 here 1, 2 here 2, so which implies that 5 combination 3 will give us 5 times 2, which is what? 10. So our answer here is what? 10. Here we have 10, then times 3 raised to 2, okay, then times x raised to 3. Now let us recall that we still have 1 over 32 here, okay? So here we now have that 1 over 32, then into, so the whole of this expansion is given as this, so which gives us 10 times, you can see 3 raised to 2 is 9, then x raised to 3, so which gives us 1 all over 32, then into 90x raised to 3, now which gives us 90 all over 32, and that's because 1 over 32 times 90 x raised to 3 will give us 90 all over 32, then x raised to 3. You can just simplify. 2 here you have 16, yes, then 2 here we have 43. Another number that can go through? No. So we have 45 all over 16, then x raised to what? 3. So the coefficient in this case now is 45 all over 16 as the final answer. All right, thank you, and please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Bye bye.